Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monique Hercules and today we're doing my first PR haul. I feel so truly blessed. I didn't expect half the stuff to come this month. I didn't know half the stuff was coming this month and I just feel really accomplished. Like I've hit a milestone in my content creator realm of life. So I figured I'd share my joy with you guys and do my PR unboxing for y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are a mixture of hair and beauty brands that I got this month. I did not expect to get a lot of these things, so it was truly a blessing, and I'm so excited to make content with it for y'all because if you're a fellow content creator, you know how difficult it is to always go out and buy everything you need. Like, in hair products alone, I probably spend like $150 a month, not on top of like outfits for shoots, gear for shoots, and then anything I use online like Photoshop, Lightroom, Final Cut, Adobe, all of those add up. So when you get PR, you just feel so beloved, appreciated, happy. I don't know, I just feel like I hit a milestone and I have to share with you guys. So let us begin. We are going to start off with this box. So this brand actually reached out to me to make some content for them. So this is the TPH hairline, and I was so excited to receive these because I wanted to make a video about them because they're new in Target and I've been meaning to go get it, but I haven't because I have a whole bookshelf worth of products I need to use. So I was like, Monique, don't buy any more products. Where are you going to put it? We're gonna find a home for these, but let us begin. They sent over the Mint Condition, a tingling scalp conditioner. I am really into this packaging. The swivel novel with the 3 prongs, that is so cool. Like, this is gonna help me reach my scalp so much easier because y'all know sometimes your hair just be matted and you're just like, can we just open it up and see some scalp, please? But anyway, oh yeah, by the way, this is how my hair looks after I styled it and then I got rained on for like 2 hours. It's puffed up and I still have some definition, but I lost a lot of my length. Oh well. The next thing they sent over was the Honey Fresh Cleanser. This is a clarifying shampoo. I almost sprayed it into my nose. It smells like perfume. It really does smell like perfume. Then I got their Glow Up. This is their version of a solid oil. It's an oil blend essentially. The Master Cleanse. Oh, there's something from this brand that I was really interested in getting. It was the Never Salty. I really wanted to try that. It's like a scalp scrub. It's like a sugar scalp scrub. I don't know. I wanted to try that. So I'll probably go run and pick that up myself because it's not here in the box. And then I got this After Dark Deep Conditioner, which I found to be very interesting. It's an overnight conditioner, but y'all know me. I'm not doing anything overnight in my hair because of my hydro fatigue. But wow, I can't wait to use this as a regular conditioner. What does this one smell like? And then we have Smooth Attitude. This is their leave-in milk, which we can all use a leave-in milk sometimes. And last but not least, we have the Tough Cookie Gel. We can always go for a good gel, because y'all know my hair loves gel and it loves protein. Any of those makes me a happy soul. So that is the first package we didn't expect to get this month, but we still did. Thank you, Lord. I feel so blessed. The next is some stuff from Becca. So I got the Becca Zero No Pigment Virtual Foundation. I have never heard of a virtual foundation before. And their No Pigment Glass Highlighter for face and lip. Becca Zero. I'm really interested in this stuff. I probably will do a YouTube video on this because I've never heard of a virtual foundation, like, ever. So I'm so grateful Becca sent these over. I really hope it's like a Glossier type product. Glossier. A Glossier type product when it's like really natural looking and your skin looks like perfection. I'm hoping for something like that. That'll be good. And then I got this is the glass highlighter. This has some weight to it. I wonder, is this glass? It kind of feels like glass because of the weight, and it kind of looked like glass too, but I have no idea what this actually is. But look at this packaging. I really like the packaging. It's like an orb. It looks really luxe, and it literally has no pigment. Honestly, I'm extremely confused about this product. I know it said no pigment, but I'm surprised that it's like this clear thing. Oops. Oh, it comes with a spoolie. I'm so curious. You know what? This is gonna be its own video, its own entity. And I'll pair it up with this glass highlighter for face and lip. We'll do a whole video on it. Because I want my skin to look beautiful and glass-like with no pigment. I have no idea how this is gonna actually work, but thank you, Becca! I actually have more stuff from Becca that I already opened the packaging for because I was so like excited that I was getting it. But they sent over a few more items. I took them out of the box that they were in, but I got the backlight priming filter. Ooh, it's like champagne colored. So this is their backlight primer, which I'm excited about. Glow from the inside out. Ooh. And this is also their ultimate foundation. It looks really light actually, so hopefully this matches my skin tone. But this is in color Hazel 41W. It's an ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation. I look forward to using this because I love a good foundation. It helps like so much because I have acne prone skin, so it's nice to feel like your skin looks really nice, you know? And then I got the under eye brightening corrector. I feel so blessed, Becca. Thank you so much. So it's like that. It's like a little pot pan. So it looks like that. It's like a paint pot type pan. And it just says Becca on top. And this is in color medium deep. Hopefully, it looks very skin tone to me. So hopefully this works with my complexion. I think it will. I'm not too surprised. And the next thing we got was, and the last thing we got from Becca is the Becca Light Gleam Primer and Topper Liquid Eyeshadow Base. Yes. Oh, this is in Red Star. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little, what you call this, you guys? Spoolie, wand, thingy bobby. And I love how these are both fall colors. Like, you know what? I'm gonna do a fall Becca look with these. That'll be suiting to the time. You can sit down, drink some hot cocoa, and have a lovely Becca makeup time. I'll be there, will you? Will you? Will you? Will you? Will you? Will ya? Okay, so that's all from Becca, and I can pretty much almost do a full face of Becca. I'll probably do that for y'all. Okay, the last thing I got was this Oars Alps Vitamin C Serum. So honestly, I already started using it as soon as I got it because I knew I wanted to do a review on it. I stopped using Drunk Elephant's Vitamin C Serum. It has done me really good. It has helped my acne so much, but I don't like how they handled the Black Lives Movement. I don't like how they treat their customers, and I don't want to support them until I see a change. So for now, they're canceled. So I've been on a search for a vitamin C. This is the Wake Up Face Serum, vitamin C serum from Oars Alps. And I have to try something. I figured I'd try this for like 3 weeks, see my results from that, and if I really like it, I'll keep purchasing this one instead. But I'll probably try a few and then pick my favorite out of all of them. But right now I'm working on this one, so I'm on day 15. So I still have like 2 more weeks left of using it. So far, I haven't seen a major difference, but it's only been a week. And vitamin C doesn't start working until like a month later anyway, so we shall see. I hope this works for my acne because I need a good vitamin C. Hopefully with a better price point than Drunk Elephants, because that one was... This one's made with natural ingredients. It helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles and brightens dark spots. Oh yeah, if you ever wear vitamin C, make sure you wear your sunscreen. Are you wearing your sunscreen? You must be wearing your sunscreen. Have I pushed it into your heart to wear sunscreen? Because you need to wear sunscreen. Anyway, that's why I got this one when I had the option of getting it. They're like, do you want to get one? And I was like, yes, I do, because I need a sunscreen so I can stop buying Drunk Elephant. I already stopped buying them, honestly, so yeah. Anyway, our last blessing box, it's from Bodyworks. So this is also a hair brand. Whew, that was a lot of work. This is also a hair brand. I'm actually one of their ambassadors, so this is the one thing I actually expected to get this month. But above all else, I was blessed with so many other things that I'm so grateful for. But Eden, always a special place in my heart. Their edge control, it is A1. But this is my Eden box for this month. And it is so precious. A few ways to jumpstart your self-care routine. So they sent me a little makeup pouch with my name on it. That is so precious. As well as a Curl Friends shirt. So this is my last Eden box. Eden Bodyworks ambassador box. So they sent me a shirt. I'm so sad. I love my Eden stuff. They also sent Believe in Yourself sticky notes with 50 individual visual aspirations. I think this is so precious because especially in COVID time, we need to up our self-care, love ourselves, and make sure we are affirming who we are forever and ever. And the 2 products in this box is their body lotion with shea and vitamin E, along with their hand cream with shea and vitamin E. Protect and hydrate. Protect and... It smells like shea baby sunscreen. I feel like everything smells like baby lately. Is that just me? Like, seriously though. Shea baby sunscreen, that's exactly what this smells like. Let's see, how moist does my hands get with this? How hydrated shall they be? They do feel hydrated, actually. It's amazing. I like this. I might use this tonight after I take my shower. But yes, that is all the PR I got this month. The month of September, by the way. This is for my September month. This was the first time I could ever do a haul, because usually whenever I get products from brands, it's usually like a one-off type thing. But wow, this month I feel extraordinarily blessed. By no way is this anything to brag about or to feel like any type of way about, honestly. Like, this was a milestone in my content creator journey. And I just felt really blessed, and I wanted to share how I felt with you guys and to do something fun, like an unboxing. So don't feel any type of way, guys. If you are also a small content creator like me, I hope this gives you hope that all of the money you're putting into your brand, investing in yourself, investing in your equipment. I literally just bought a new camera. It's all gonna pay off one day. Someone's gonna eventually see your work and see that it's valuable and see that it's worth it and invest into you as a brand as well. And you just gotta keep doing what you do best, making lovely content, loving yourself, and providing your audience with great things. Okay, I love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to subscribe, by the way. Oh, and let me know, which ones do you want to see first as reviews? Because if you guys tell me, I'll just film that first. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.